Alright, it's now Saturday again. A week has passed. And this morning, we're going to fix the toilet. This is my third or fourth time I've had to do this since we've been in the house. And all they have are these fancy new kits. I kind of wish they just had the old float. It's still in the other bathroom, it still has that same one that we've had. So let's take the toilet apart and stop this leak. All right. Alright, looks like the toilet is done. Yeah, it's no longer running, so. Alright, a few more indoor projects. Got a leak, I think, in the washer and a couple other things. Let's get to it. Alright, so what I figured out on the washer, after being underneath it and cleaning up water, that you can see the cold water valve as well as the hot water valve are leaking. I've looked it up, diagnosed it, and I'm going to order the parts. I've had to work on this thing a couple times before, but luckily it had nothing to do with the bottom, so this will be a quick job as soon as I get the parts in, which I'm going to go order all that now. So now I can move on to the next project. Next. Alright, I just watched a video on shower doors. I was gonna be so pissed off because this door has been catching at the bottom for who knows how long. And some doors have an adjustment at the top, but this one doesn't, so I'm gonna have to take it. Hate when batteries die. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take the door apart to see if I can adjust it. So let's get started and move this project along. Excuse the way the shower door looks. That's one of the next things on my list, is to figure out a way to paint that thing without taking it fully apart again. But in all that effort of taking that thing apart, as you can see, you can open and close the door easily. What a pain. Cleaned it up, got it done. I still have to caulk it, but I need to paint it first. But it's working, and it's and it's working for the first time in 13 years. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, now it's time to spend some time outside. I'm going to caulk in between the expansion joint. See how far I get with that. Ready to go. Let's do it. Alright, it's been a long day. Got a lot done, probably not as much as I wanted to. I did a really long strength workout and then a 20-minute AMRAP, so I'm tired. But gonna finish the night up with a nice steak, maybe some onion rings, some sweet potato fries. It's been a long day. But I got the parts ordered for the washer and they'll be in on Monday, so I'll probably do a separate video on that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.